As of right now, I am a freshman at Roberts Wesleyan College, and I'm in my first semester, and I took the class Intro to Health Professions. And prior to taking this class, I was planning on becoming a doctor of osteopathic medicine and opening up my own practice. But during this class, I found out about a different career that I had no idea about, which is called occupational therapy. So, occupational therapy is much different than physical therapy because occupational therapy allows you to cater to the wants of the patient. Instead of asking, like, how can I make you do this? It's going to be, how can I help you do this? Or how can I help you adapt to your new normal after somebody has suffered like a stroke or a mental illness that has debilitated them? And it allows a more one-on-one care to a patient, and occupational therapists can work in many different places, and they also cater to a wide age range. So it can be from like an older person who has like arthritis, dementia, anything like that, and they can, like, as like in this picture, they're painting. Painting can help like calm the patient down, and also like helps their motor skills and at least keep like part of their brain working. Occupational therapists can also work with younger children, and they can help them with, like going to school, different, different things that they want to do and succeed in. So if a child has a disability, they're able to go to school and function normally. Occupational therapists can help patients adapt to their new normal in a wide variety of ways. As in this picture, the man is helping the woman pull on her sock, which after they suffered a back problem or back surgery, can be very tough to deal with. They can also help them, figure out new ways to eat if they suffered a stroke and part of their body doesn't work or anything like that. So the strengths that I have that I feel would be helpful as an occupational therapist is that I'm very adapted. I can change, my plan under pressure if it's just not working for the patient or something like that. I can also be very creative in ways of helping the patient succeed and cater to their wants and how much they want to be functional. And I'm also very good with children, so I feel like I'd be best fit as a child occupational therapist. I can be very encouraging and make them feel comfortable and know that they are okay and we all have struggles. And one of the weaknesses that I do have is I have anxiety, and I was diagnosed with it at a very young age, and I actually did go to play therapy with an occupational therapist in order to help me. So I can really see myself doing that because I've had a first-hand experience as a child, and I remember it very well, to help the children progress in early intervention therapy. The future plans that I have right now is to finish up my bachelor's degree in biomedical science at Roberts Wesleyan College. And then I'm hoping that by that time, the occupational therapy program at Roberts will be available, and I plan on going into that. After I finish that, I plan on getting licensed and becoming a part of a group occupational therapy program, like practice. And after a few years, and after I get like a business degree, I plan on opening up my own practice, and which will allow me to set my own hours and have a family and a husband and all that, and allow me to help other occupational therapists who want to become a practicing one start their career and go down the path that I did. Thank you.